are, I'm recording. Go. Man, doing is sitting down, it's so fun. It is. So is mine. I raised mine up like 5 mil last time. I told you your bike kicked out the stupid bit. Yeah. Oh, this is the bit I don't like, is it? Right, go, because then it's kind of like... Oh, Jesus. Shit, go down here. Just so you can get out of the way of him. Oh, yeah. Cheating is so fun. Oh, that was a foot. I'll just park right here. I actually missed so much of that, so I didn't know how far behind you were. Because I cut in front of you. I just put myself straight down because I didn't want to take any turns, just in case.
That's good.
It was good, but I just missed so many because I was like, cause I saw you like there, I was like, fuck, easing my brakes, I was like, jump, I was like, fuck.
Yeah. What, did you do that end jump?
Done an end jump, yeah.
Yeah!
I don't know how you do that.
What, that end just dropped?
Yeah, I didn't realise, I was like, oh fuck.
I ride off of that.
Yeah, but you're, because I was going at such an angle as well, it's kind of like...
You have to skip through. Right, let's go.
You go down this bit, didn't we?
Yeah.
Alright, go.
Oh, should we take it?
No, let's not kill our leg. Go this way. Oh no, you're Indian. I put so much pressure on when I pedal as well. You can hear it, can't you? Where it just gets caught like tink. I pedal when I do it as well. Bad habit, naughty habit. Ooh. You want to take points? If you can. Oh my god. Oh my god. Go on. You keep riding it up. Go on. This back ain't made for this. No. Not the way we got it set up anyway. No. We didn't. I did. But it does show that I don't want it in front. Just one on front. I do want a front mech. Yeah. Well, my boy Shimano. Yeah. 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 I'm going to buy new pads for him anyway. Because he's going to need it. There's loads left on them, but they don't get safe. Well, for like £5, I'd rather save myself on that. It's ugly, yeah. They got metal pegs on the front, not plastic, so even though they're Shimano, but at the end of the day, I'm not going to complain, right? Been really annoying, I'll put it in here.